So we're all locked down and day drinking and none of you are doing it properly. And I'm judging you all. Firstly, if it's not good enough to drink, it's not good enough to cook with. So all of your cocktails, stop drinking cheap shit. We're gonna start with something basic, and that is a proper margarita. Fresh limes, Patron Silver, and Cointreau. Do not substitute with cheap shit. Start very simply by chopping the limes so that you have a nice wheel presented. You are going to simply ream the limes into your shaker. You'll note there's no margarita mix going into this. So, just ream all that lovely juice in there. We're nearly there. This has to be fresh lime, otherwise there's no point. Squeezy lime, maybe if I was in a ship would be appropriate, but fresh lime genuinely makes this much, much better. Next, three shots of silver tequila. My preferred one is Patron because I'm not an animal. Two shots of triple sec. My preferred is Cointreau because just because we're in house arrest doesn't mean we should be animals. And unlike a martini, this is a drink that actually gets shaken on ice. Now, last way. This is an old-fashioned glass, and we just rub some of the lime corpses around the edge, and with a little bit of cooking salt, because we want the large crystals. You just frost the edges. Cat prefers his not done, so I'm only going to do half of it. On the rocks. This drink is brilliant for enjoying house arrest, avoiding scurvy, and whiling away the afternoon, I guess. The last bit is also critical. I prefer a wheel of lime. Just to show that you're serious. And that is the proper way to make a margarita.